This is the quick build guide, and we're going to install the battery mount. This is a battery mount and the Velcro that comes with it and the screws. These are being, the mounts are being 3D printed now. We have the tooling, the mold being is underway right now, and it's got about another, I guess, 45 days or so before production parts will be coming to us from it. So right now what we're doing is 3D printing these, and we're also 3D printing the KK2 control board holder. But because they're 3D printed, you're gonna have, and let me get a little bit closer here. Let's see. Where the Velcro is going to pass through, this has some bridging in there, so you have to, clean it out. Best way I found, I just use the 8th or 16th inch bit and stick it in there, and it cleans it out real well. So it just takes a second or two and do both of those, or both sides rather, and it'll be in good shape, ready to go. Let me go ahead and. So what we're going to do, there's a couple of different ways you can mount the battery, and you could mount the battery this way, and you can also mount it this way. This is the way I normally mount it, and what I'll do, I'll go ahead on this particular one, the 480, I'll go ahead and just push the ruler up to there and push it up to here and get myself two marks there to go by. There, 2 reference lines rather. And whenever I hold this up, I can line it up and get a nice neat job there. I'm gonna just do a little pilot hole, and let me line this up. And I'm just gonna eyeball it this way to get it pretty even. And that looks about right. And what we'll do is go ahead and do a couple pilot holes. And we'll just use a screwdriver. I think a drill motor would be a little bit too much to put these little screws in. And what you'll find if you use the drill on these screws, you're going to wind up stripping out parts. I mean, it does happen. They really need to be, you can start them with the drill drill motor, but you really need to finish them off with a screwdriver by hand. There we go. And we'll put these in. Now, if you do strip one out, or if you're not comfortable with the secureness of this when you put it on, a little bit of CA glue wicked in, and oh my gosh, it's there forever. And that's exactly what I'm going to do to this one. I'm just going to put a little bit there and put a little bit there, and it's there forever, pretty much. Now what I'm going to do is what I normally do, I put Velcro on either side, and on my battery I'm going to put Velcro on the battery, so whenever it does fit on there between the Velcro and the strap, and really the strap is a minor part of the whole, the Velcro is going to do the biggest part. And I found I run 66 or 6,000s on these. I normally run 3,300 3 cells, but I do run 6,000 3 cells on them, and with the Velcro on, and even without the strap, they hold very, very well. I've never had a problem. So it's really smart to do this. It works really well. It's that bit of security. You're never going to have a problem with that battery coming off. And this works really, really well. And we'll go ahead and put our strap through. And this makes for a very, very good good way of putting your battery on. And I've been doing it this way on quad lugs since prototyping, and it's worked very, very well. There you go, and that's how that's going to go on. Anyway, that's it for putting your battery mount on. The next step is going to be mounting our Q-Brain ESC, and we'll see you then. Thanks.